Hello my friends, this is Ingunn from the woods again. I'm out here walking my dog, see if he is behind me there. And I've said it before, I have to say it again. When it's spring, it's like nature is showing us what a miracle is like. There was a message on my phone there, I just get it away. And I want to show you, see all these flowers. Can you listen to the sounds from the water, the birds? I found out when I'm out, if I decide to look for miracles, after a while, at least when I'm out in nature, everything becomes a miracle. There's mosquitoes. Just look at these leaves here. Baby miracles. Okay, I see you in my next video. I just wanted to show you this place.